Hi everyone, this is Business Hunters. Today I want to quickly show you two powerful tools that you can use for your book publishing on Amazon Kindle publishing. If you are somebody who is into Kindle publishing, like I know a lot of people go online to take other people's materials, just like ebook, they go online to a free website to download documents and they upload it into Kindle. And if you realize you're not the only one who goes to that particular website to download that particular book. A lot of people are downloading the same book that you are downloading. So you are not going to rely on what you are downloading because it may be that someone else has already uploaded that particular book into a Kindle and you can't afford to fall victim of a plagiarism. That is why you need to use this powerful artificial intelligence tool to rewrite your article or to rewrite your book or whatever you want to publish so that you don't fall into the law. I'm going to show you two apps that we are going to use in this tutorial. We are going to use a free artificial intelligence tool, which is Article Rewriter. Then the second one, we are going to use a special Word document that can actually check your plagiarism status for you so that you don't fall victim. This Word document is going to show you whether your document is free of plagiarism or you still need to go back to Article Rewriter and tweak it so that when you publish it into Amazon Kindle, it's not going to give you any problem. So I'm going to start by launching that particular app that I'm talking about so that I will show you how you can do it. Okay, guys, we are already, um, this is the website. We are already on the website. And the problem with this website is that it has a lot of advertisements on it. But that is the reason why the software itself is free. Because what they are gaining by offering you this powerful tool for free is by showcasing their advertisements so that they can also make some money for their project, which is very, very noble. It is actually commendable. So what this is the interface. It has a very clean interface and a very straightforward interface. It's not something that you need to rack your brain to understand. What we need to do now is to go and copy a document and paste it in here. As you can see, you can paste up to 2,000 words at the same time. Unlike other AI tool that you can only paste the max, you can only paste 1,500. But this one is very, very robust. You can paste up to 2,000 words to convert. So let me go to my Word document and paste this particular portion of my document so that we can start working on it. So when you paste the document, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on Write Article. Sometimes when you click on Rewrite Article, a captcha may pop up for you to prove that you are not a robot, that you're a human. So when you click on it and it pops up, you just need to be patient. Okay, the captcha didn't pop up this time. As you can see, it's actually done. It is a very fast app. It's a very fast application when you paste your word, it can convert it in no time. As you can see, it has already been converted. All the words that you see marked here as the words have already, this thing has paraphrased this document, and these are the words that have replaced the words that are in the original document. So as it is now, this document has been rewritten. So we now need to scroll down to this point and you click continue. So you scroll up. This is the document itself. This document is ready as you can see. If you like, you can share this document You can download report. You can also copy to clipboard. So what I want to do is to copy this document to clipboard, then come back to paste it on this blank Word document so that we can prove whether what our article writer has done is actually free of plagiarism or there is still need for us to go back and tweak it. So I'm going to paste it here. Let me take um, guy to the left hand side so that we can see clearly. Okay, I talked about how you can use your Word document to prove whether your document is free of plagiarism or is you're going to have issues with it. This is Office 365 that I am using. I don't know if any other Word document has this particular functionality. The functionality I am talking about, it is actually called editor that you can see here. Office 365 is an advanced Office package and it has a lot of functionalities. As you can see, it has a dictator. If you click on this dictator and it can actually, if you play a video, it can be writing what you're saying in the video. It can be writing it for you. So it has a very advanced what's it called? Functionality. So what we are going to use is this editor. I'm going to click on this editor. Let me scroll up to show you. This is the quality of this document, the editor score at the moment. So you can see a formal writing, spelling. It has a spelling issue. If I click on spelling now, this is going to take me to this. This is what the spelling is. I can correct it. Then if you come to grammar, you can be correcting a lot of things. You can see when I click on grammar, it's correcting all the stuff. So that's just it. The grammar, let me take you back to what we want to do. We are actually using similarity functionality. This is the functionality that we want to use, similarity. This simply means that the document has changed. So what we want to do now is to check for similarity to online sources. We want to check if someone else is having this our document online or somewhere so that we don't have any issue of plagiarism when we upload our book to Amazon Kindle or KDP, whatever name you call it. So I'm going to click on this. As you can see, it's checking for similarity. Look at it. As you can see now, it has 0%. 0% of your text is similar to online sources. It simply means that this document that we just rewrite doesn't have any plagiarism. It doesn't look like any other online sources. It doesn't look like any document that is online somewhere. So it is a perfect rewriting that this particular app has done for us. So that's all I have in this video. If you're watching my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell. Click on the link below. Click on the link below to get to this this particular app that we are using for rewriting our article. You can click on the link below to get to that website. I really appreciate your time. Just take care and have a nice day.